Hello beauty babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I am going to be casting for Gyvencha's reality show. I am super excited, but I am really nervous. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I am going to be using Gyvencha's palette because there's so many colors in there, and whenever I use this palette I get very inspired. So I'm going to be using this palette and I'm just going to have fun and do my best. And let's just get into this. So my name is Gyvenchabeauty. I am Haitian. I came to America very young, when I was 7 or 9 years old. I started doing makeup a year and a half ago. Last year my life was really bad and I needed an escape, and makeup was really my way of expressing myself and being able to like create anything that I wanted to do. Being able to tell my story through makeup was really a really big escape that I was looking for basically for a long time. Makeup is my art. Like, I love creating, I love playing with it, and I never want to stop. It's everything that I've ever dreamed of, and it's kind of hard because being Haitian or having like a black parent, they have certain expectation that you have to meet, and those expectations are not makeup. So it's kind of hard trying to explain it, trying to get them to see it from my point of view and making them support me, which I think they are coming to, because I am very happy, and at the end of the day that's all that matters, is if I am happy with what I'm doing. And makeup make me really happy. I love doing it. I enjoy doing it on other people, and it's my life, and I plan to do it for the rest of my life. It's everything I've ever dreamed of. It's amazing. So I just used the dull tin fluffy side of the brush, and then I used the flat brush to pack the black one onto the outer corner of my eye, and then I blend the black and the brown out with the fluffy brush. And now I'm just going to cut my crease off camera. I'm back. Now I am using a really thick flat brush so I can pack some yellow onto my cut crease. I get asked a lot of time, like, what are you like trying to say, or what are your goals? Makeup get like a lot of hate. A lot of people think people do makeup because they feel ugly, because they don't like themselves. But my goal is to show everyone, whether you're a boy or girl or whatever way you identify yourself, I want to show you that makeup is for everyone. And just because someone do makeup does not mean they hate themselves. Like, you don't know what people are going through and what they want to express, or how people deal with their problem. So just because someone do makeup does not automatically mean that they hate themselves. And makeup is a beautiful thing. The things you can create with it, the things you can do, it's really amazing. So guys, I finished my face off camera and I put some lipstick. So thank you so much, Gyvencha, for this opportunity. If you are going to be watching this, I am a black woman. I do identify myself as a black woman, and it really meant a lot for me to be in this show, because not a lot of my race get the respect or the credit that they deserve just because of where we come from. So this opportunity is really, really important, and I'm very grateful that I was able to participate in it. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do enjoy watching me, don't forget to share this with all your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye beauty babes.